In the heart of the Indian Ocean lies a hidden paradise, Rasdhoo, Maldives. A small island with turquoise waters, soft white sands, and coral reefs teeming with life. Here, time slows down, and every sunrise brings a new canvas of colors. Rasdhoo is more than just an island. It's a sanctuary for nature and a haven for those seeking tranquility. The gentle waves caress the shore, while beneath the surface, vibrant marine life dances among the corals. Schools of colorful fish, graceful manta rays, and even the occasional reef shark create an underwater world full of wonder. Life on the island moves at its own pace. Fishermen set out at dawn, returning with the day's fresh catch. Local communities welcome visitors with warmth and tradition, sharing stories passed down through generations. Whether you wander along the powdery beaches, dive into crystal clear waters, or simply sit and watch the horizon, Rasdhoo offers a rare escape from the chaos of the modern world. Rasdhoo is a place where nature, culture, and serenity meet. A jewel of the Maldives, a reminder of the ocean's endless beauty, and a destination that captures the imagination of every traveler.